Welcome students, today is grammar lecture and today we will learn how we can create sentences on different given words, topics, things or personalities. Students, in order to create appealing sentences, it is necessary for us to think about the use and purpose of different given objects or things or profession or duties of different personalities. Then we can create appealing sentences. Students, if we want to create sentences on any singular thing, object or person, then we will use singular helping verb is. And if we want to create sentence more than one person's things or personalities, then we will use plural helping verb are. Students, if we want to create sentence on different things or objects, firstly we will think about the position, color, use and shape of that given thing or object. And if we want to create sentence about any personality, then we will think about his profession, his duty, his relationship, then we can create appealing sentences. And if we want to create sentence about any place, firstly we will think which type of place is it, where is that place situated, then we can create sentence according to the given place. Students, like here we will create some sentences. Students, look at me. If our given word is about object, handkerchief. Students, you know handkerchief means rumal. Here handkerchief is object or thing. We can create sentence about its color. We can say that the handkerchief color is blue. Here we are writing about object and we have written about its color. Next, if our given word is about place, here we can write about the name. Our next word is school. Here we can write about the name of our school. My school name is ONS. My school name is ONS. Next, if our given word is about person, here we can write about his duty. Students, you know what is the duty of doctor? Our next word is doctor. Here we can write about his duty. The doctor is treating. Students, you know treat means इलाज करना. The doctor is treating the patients. Patients means मरीज. Here we are writing about person and we are writing about his duty. Next, if our objects are more than one, then we will use here plural helping verb are. Here dresses are more than one. Here we can write about the position of dresses. The dresses are in the shop. Students, you know in means में अंदर. In we have used here as a preposition. As you know what is preposition? Preposition are those words which show the position of anything. Here in is showing the position of dresses. Where are the dresses? The dresses are in the shop. Next, if our next word is about object, here we can write about the shape of clock. Here we can write about the shape of clock is round. Students, in this way we can create a lot of sentences about anything, object or personality. Hopefully students, you got my point. In order to create appealing sentences on any given thing, object or personality, we can create sentences by thinking about the profession, duty or relationship of different personalities, and position, color, use and shape of different things. And if we want to create sentence about any singular object, thing or person, we will use singular helping verb is. And if we want to create sentences according to plural persons, things or places, then we will use plural helping verb are. Now students, you will create 5 sentences by choosing any 5 word by yourself. इस वीडियो के आखिर पर मैं एक पैगाम वालिदैन को देना चाहती हूँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मोहतरम वालिदैन, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप खैरियत से होंगे। स्कूल इंतज़ामिया ने फ़ैसला किया है कि बच्चों से कुछ असेसमेंट ली जाएं ताकि बच्चों का राब्ता तलीमी सरगर्मियों से कायम रख सकें। इसलिए वालिदैन आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप स्कूल इंतज़ामिया के साथ कोऑपरेट करें और स्कूल ऑफिस से आकर असेसमेंट कलेक्ट करें। और असेसमेंट कलेक्ट करने के बाद अपनी निगरानी में बच्चों से पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ असेसमेंट हल करवाएं। और असेसमेंट हल करवाने के बाद दोबारा स्कूल ऑफिस में जमा करवा दें। एंड पेरेंट्स, इधर मैं एक और बात वाज़ह करना चाहती हूँ कि अगर बच्चे असेसमेंट में अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं और स्कूल खुलने के बाद अगर बच्चों से इम्तहानात लिए जाएँ तो उनके लिए इम्तहानात में भी अच्छा परफॉर्म करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसलिए आपसे गुजारिश है कि अपनी निगरानी में पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ असेसमेंट हल करवाएँ। शुक्रिया।